Russia is an incredibly diverse and expansive country that spans Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Geography of Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world by land area, spanning across Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It shares borders with 14 countries, including Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, China, Mongolia, and North Korea. Russia's landscape is incredibly diverse, featuring vast plains, mountain ranges, tundra in the north, and vast Siberian forests. The country is also known for its extensive river systems, including the Volga, which is the longest in Europe, and the Lena, Yenisei, and Ob rivers in Siberia. The capital city of Russia is Moscow, while other major cities include St. Petersburg, Novosibirsk, and Yekaterinburg. Russia's geography and climate vary widely, with Arctic conditions in the north, a temperate climate in much of European Russia, and a harsh continental climate in Siberia. The country's size and geographical diversity contribute to its rich cultural, historical, and natural heritage. Capital of Russia. The capital city of Russia is Moscow, which is also the country's largest city. Language spoken in Russia. The official language is Russian. It's the most widely spoken language, but there are also many other languages spoken by various ethnic groups within Russia. Government of Russia. Russia is a federal semi-presidential republic. Vladimir Putin has been the president of Russia since 1999 and has played a significant role in Russian politics. Economy. Russia has a mixed economy with both state ownership and private enterprise. It is known for its vast natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and metals, which are key drivers of its economy. Culture of Russia. The culture of Russia is rich and diverse, reflecting its vast geographical expanse, long history, and the influence of numerous ethnic groups. Here are some key aspects of Russian culture. Literature. Russia has a renowned literary tradition, with famous authors like Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Anton Chekhov. Russian literature often explores profound philosophical and psychological themes. Visual arts. Russian art encompasses a wide range of styles, from the iconography of Russian Orthodox Church to the works of iconic painters like Wassily Kandinsky and Marc Chagall. The Russian avant-garde movement also made significant contributions to modern art. Music. Classical music has a strong presence in Russian culture, with composers like Tchaikovsky, Rachmaninoff, and Stravinsky being celebrated worldwide. Russian folk music, including balalaika and accordion music, is also an integral part of the culture. Dance. Traditional Russian dance includes the famous ballet, with institutions like the Bolshoi Ballet gaining international recognition. Folk dances like the Kazakok and Kalinka were also popular. Cuisine. Russian cuisine features hearty dishes like borscht, pelmeni, and blini. Vodka is a well-known alcoholic beverage, and tea is a staple drink, often accompanied by sweets and pastries. Religion. Russian Orthodoxy is the dominant religion in Russia, and it has deeply influenced the culture, architecture, and art of the country. Religious festivals and traditions are an integral part of Russian life. Festivals. Russia celebrates various cultural festivals, including Maslenitsa, Victory Day, and New Year's, which is one of the most significant holidays. Architecture. Russian architecture spans from iconic churches like St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow to the grand palaces of St. Petersburg, reflecting various historical periods and influences. Traditions. Russia has a rich tapestry of traditions, including Matryoshka doll painting, nesting dolls, and the practice of giving and receiving gifts on occasions like New Year's and birthdays. Soviet legacy. The Soviet era also left a significant mark on Russian culture, with the influence of Soviet ideology, art, and propaganda evident in various aspects of life. It's important to note that Russia's culture is incredibly diverse due to its vast size and the presence of numerous ethnic groups. This diversity adds to the richness and complexity of Russian culture, making it a fascinating subject of study and exploration. History of Russia. The history of Russia is vast and complex, spanning over 1,000 years. Here is a concise overview of key periods and events in Russian history. Early history. Russia's history begins with the formation of Kievan Rus, a medieval East Slavic state centered in Kiev, present-day Ukraine, in the 9th century. It was influenced by Byzantine culture and Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Mongol rule. In the 13th century, the Mongol Empire, led by Genghis Khan's descendants, invaded and ruled over much of the region for several centuries. This period is known as the Mongol or Tatar yoke. Emergence of Moscow. The city of Moscow emerged as a center of resistance to Mongol rule and gradually expanded its territory. Ivan III, also known as Ivan the Great, declared Moscow's independence from the Mongols in the late 15th century. Ivan the Terrible. Ivan IV, also known as Ivan the Terrible, became the first Tsar of Russia in the 16th century. His reign was marked by expansion, centralization of power, and brutality. Romanov dynasty. The Romanov dynasty came to power in 1613, and it would rule Russia for over 3 centuries. Under Peter the Great and Catherine the Great, Russia expanded its territory and modernized its administration. Napoleonic Wars. Russia played a crucial role in the defeat of Napoleon in 1812. The French invasion of Russia and the subsequent retreat of Napoleon's forces are notable events. 19th century reforms. The 19th century saw significant reforms, including the abolition of serfdom by Alexander II in 1861. Russia also industrialized during this period. Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution of 1917 led to the overthrow of the Romanovs and the establishment of a communist government under Vladimir Lenin and the Bolshevik Party. Soviet era. The Soviet Union, officially established in 1922, became a superpower under Joseph Stalin. The Soviet era saw industrialization, collectivization of agriculture, and significant political repression. World War II. Russia, as part of the Soviet Union, played a crucial role in the defeat of Nazi Germany in World War II. The war resulted in immense loss of life and destruction in Russia. Cold War. The Cold War rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union dominated international politics for much of the 20th century. Dissolution of the Soviet Union. In 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed, leading to the emergence of the Russian Federation as an independent state under the leadership of Boris Yeltsin. Post-Soviet Russia. The post-Soviet period saw economic and political challenges, as well as the rise of Vladimir Putin, who has been a dominant figure in Russian politics. Contemporary Russia. Russia's recent history has been marked by political centralization, economic shifts, conflicts in regions like Chechnya and Ukraine, and tensions with Western nations. This overview provides a snapshot of Russia's long and complex history. The country's history has been shaped by a mix of cultural, political, and economic influences, making it a subject of significant historical interest. Landmark tourist attraction in Russia. Russia offers a wide range of tourist attractions, from historic landmarks to natural wonders. Here are some popular tourist destinations in Russia. Red Square and the Kremlin. Red Square is at the heart of Moscow and home to iconic landmarks like St. Basil's Cathedral and the Lenin Mausoleum. The Kremlin, a historic fortified complex, houses government buildings and museums. Hermitage Museum. This world-famous museum is located in the Winter Palace and features an extensive collection of art and historical artifacts, including works by Rembrandt, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. Trans-Siberian Railway. Embark on one of the world's most famous train journeys, traversing the vast landscapes of Siberia. The journey offers breathtaking scenery and a glimpse into Russian culture. Lake Baikal. Located in Siberia, Lake Baikal is the world's deepest freshwater lake. It's known for its crystal-clear waters, unique wildlife, and the Trans-Siberian Railway passing nearby. Peterhof Palace. Often referred to as the Russian Versailles, Peterhof is a grand palace complex with stunning gardens, fountains, and the Grand Cascade. Golden Ring cities. Explore historic towns northeast of Moscow, such as Suzdal, Vladimir, and Yaroslavl, known for their well-preserved architecture, ancient churches, and rich history. Kazan. This city on the Volga River is known for its mix of Tatar and Russian cultures. Visit the Kazan Kremlin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and explore the city's diverse architecture. Mount Elbrus. Located in the Caucasus Mountains, Mount Elbrus is Europe's highest peak. It attracts mountaineers and hikers from around the world. Russia's vast size and diverse landscapes offer a wide range of attractions for tourists interested in history, culture, nature, and adventure. When planning a trip to Russia, be sure to research specific regions and attractions based on your interests and the time of year you plan to visit. Conclusion. Russia, with its boundless landscapes, storied history, and vibrant culture, remains a nation of intrigue and wonder. It is a country that defies simple definitions, inviting exploration and understanding. As it navigates the complexities of the modern world, Russia's legacy of resilience and its enduring contributions to art, science, and literature continue to captivate the imagination of the world.